Hello. Yes, we are playing this game. I really don't know what it is. It's called Itty Bitty Railway, and it's on Roblox. And it costs Robux, which is stupid. But I'm gonna play it here so that you don't have to. This is gonna be my 500 subscriber special. I'm gonna be spending Robux in this video. No, never mind. I'm not doing that. That's stupid. But yeah, I'll try my best not to spend Robux. But let's start a new game. File name. What are we gonna call our railroad? We gotta call it something cool. Also, guys, do you like the new logo? It looks cool, right? No? Okay. I mean, I've tried to make it as cool as possible. It looks kind of stupid though. Pendis is railway. Wait, no, that's railway. Pendis railway. I don't know. Railway. Okay, so let's go. Tutorial. Let's go. Rails. Track. New track. Okay, well, this is easy. Yeah. Okay, get more track. Plus. Here. Station piece. Here. Oh, god damn it. Here. Here. Let's go. Let's add a train. Guess we're gonna use this train. Click tree 1. Okay. Tree. Okay, this looks easy enough. Okay. So, I guess we'll be making an area. So let's start. So we're gonna have, wait, can we edit the land? Buildings. Oh, we can have a building. Sure. No, I won't put a skyscraper there. I'll put a little. I'm gonna put a widow house over here. Let's put a couple houses. Give it. Okay, I'll cut to when I finish building the scenery. Okay, guys, we are done. Does it look cool? Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna make a new little one that connects to the main city. So we're gonna new track. Oh, we need a station piece. Okay, let's get this. So let's go. So you're gonna have to walk over here. Oh, station platform is too short. How long does it need to be? It has to be this long? Okay. Well, I don't really care. Oh no. I don't want another station. We'll just get... Let's go over here. So we're gonna get us to go all the way over there. Cause, yeah. Okay, let's just move, I guess. Just get all the way down. So then we're gonna stop here at this little area. And then we're just gonna go for a nice little area here. And then start it off. So yeah, and then we're gonna add the station. And then we can add some houses. And this will be, let's do a little gingerbread area. Tell you when I'm done. Okay guys, it seems to be done. Does it look cool? We got like the little place going. And we're gonna go fix this other area over here because I feel like it's a bit bland. So we're gonna disable the train and we're gonna change it to the purple. We're gonna change it to this train. And I think now we're gonna make a station that we're gonna, so this will be like gingerbread world over here. So then this will be enabled and then we'll have like the little gingerbread going. Let's add the gingerbread express. So this will get you ooh, this is, oh, you can drive the train? Let's test that out. Oh, never mind. Cost Robux. But yeah, here's our little train. Now we can go and we can go stop, go pick up some passengers, and start going. Okay, now we're gonna fix up this area because it's a bit bland. Okay, we'll be done shortly. Okay, guys, I'm too broke for this. Yeah, I'm too broke. I'm gonna need to wait until I get enough money, so I guess let's just send this guy off then. Just drive. Oh no, I don't want to drive the train. Just enable it, because we need some money. So this is what we got so far. We got kind of like a little place over here. We're too broke to add the second little place of our town. But yeah, we need some money. Okay, now we're gonna add a little roof. Let's give it a little roof. Make it nice and cool. Okay, I'm too broke. You know what we could do? We could start making another train system for another station so that we don't need to do this. So we can have like one that goes into a tunnel here. So guys, apparently I broke the game. Yeah. Yeah, and then I can no longer place items. I mean things. Let's say I want to delete this. Yeah, that's not gonna work. And then yeah, and then let's say I want to replace something. Yeah, it doesn't work. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I shall be doing a series on this. But yeah, it looks pretty good for right now. We're gonna need to fix this next time. Next time on blah 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 blah.